welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. My name is Meryl, nice to meet you. So today, as you can see in the title, we're gonna be making some really amazing brownies. These brownies are low in calories, carbs, no sugar, gluten-free, and all of that good stuff that we like because it's guilt-free as well. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so as you can see in the background right here, my oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to go ahead and prep my baking pan as well, so that way, as soon as we're done mixing up the brownies, we can put them straight in the oven. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So then when I come back, we can go ahead and get started on making these delicious brownies. So I don't know about you guys, but I always love a good brownie. And a good brownie to me is less cakey and more fudgy and chewy. Oh my gosh, those are literally the best kinds, because if it's cakey, you might as well just have a piece of cake. So not a huge fan of cakey brownies. I promise you, pinky promise, these will not be cakey. If you came here for cakey brownies, sorry, you have to find another video because you won't find it here. Anyway, so yes, they are going to be chewy and fudgy and amazing. So there's one secret ingredient that helps with that, and we will go over that today as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this part, we're gonna start with a smaller mixing bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and whisk. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. We're gonna go ahead and whisk together our baking soda and flour alternative. For my flour alternative, either it's almond flour usually or Carbquik. Carbquik is a keto-friendly baking mix. You can use it, as you can see, for pizza, biscuits, pancakes, literally everything. I've made Red Lobster biscuits with these. I've made pizza. I've made pancakes a ton. I've made regular like Cracker Barrel biscuits with them. I've used it for breading on like chicken parmesan and everything. It's so good. So I highly recommend it. You can get it on Amazon. I don't know where else you can get it. I know for sure you can get it there though. That's where we're gonna start with 1 1/3 cup of this. So let me get my bowl back. I did a half heaping teaspoon of baking soda. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Okay, and most importantly, when you're making brownies, you need chocolate, right? So I'm using Hershey's Cocoa 100% natural unsweetened. So then this is 3/4 of a cup, so I'm just gonna add this in here. Now we're gonna move this aside, and I'm gonna grab a big bowl. But first, I'm gonna heat up 8 tablespoons of butter in the microwave and melt it and put it in here. Okay, I went ahead and added the butter and vanilla extract. And now we're gonna add a cup of sugar alternative. So I'm gonna use the monk fruit sweetener, granulated. Okay, so I went ahead and added in the granulated monk fruit sweetener into the melted butter, and we're gonna mix it up really well to make sure that it is not dissolved, because it's not gonna dissolve in the butter, but you just wanna combine it really well. The next step is we're going to add in the cocoa and flour mix to the melted butter, and we're just gonna do half at a time. So mix that first part up really well and then add in the rest. After we combine this really well, we're gonna add in 2 egg yolks, not the whites of the eggs, bake for 20 minutes, and here it is. Okay guys, so that is all. It is a super easy recipe. I'm gonna go enjoy them with some almond milk now. And thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, and down below, also subscribe. The notification bell so you get notifications when I post new videos. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.